I've only gone around it now.
Tina Murphy is like, oh god.
You're not actually. Have you actually found the like button?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, no. Can you hear us at it?
Okay, it's snowing. Oh, and there's the postman. Can't really see it though, can you?
You can't on there. Maybe you should go outside and lay on the ground like you said. Then make a snow angel in the back. Make a snow
Shall I? A wet angel.
Everyone's looking at your blind.
Of course. But is it snow? Open the window and get me freezing cold. Oh, oh. You can't see if it is or not. It's rain, isn't it? So everybody, is it rain or is it snow? Quick, quick snow. Snow, snow, quick, quick snow. The sky doesn't even look snowy. Oh, it's coming down a bit. What? Oh, you've opened the window. Quick.
Oh, bless you. Oh, God, it's coming down quite quick, isn't it now?
Yeah, we've got to get home and that.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I've got this one. Yeah, I've got this one.
There you go, I've got it for you. Alright. See you later. Go make a snowman, lady.
Yeah, we'll give it back to snow.
Oh, look at my... What are you doing? Oh, I'm shutting the door.
I want to put my head up. Oh my god.
Come on, quick.
We're so sad.
Look, there's snow. Snow, look, proof. Snow really does exist. Get the Father Christmas costume.
Look at my car.
The lights are on.
Oh, she's got dandruff.
Don't show my boots. Oh, look how the lights are on in the centre. Look at Emma's face. What's the excitement over Cameron? Oh.
It's cold.
That was exciting, wasn't it?
Now it's coming out sunny and stopping.
Have you done it?
Oh, people are loving it.
Snow, snow, quick, quick snow. I don't know, is it?
Oh, you know, it's not still recording, is it? You know,
Oh, my shoes. There's no snow on the boots. Hey.
Are you still recording?
I don't know, am I?
Yes.
Yes, I am.
Okay, so I need to talk about work.
Work. I can see the name of that person on it. Not really.
You can't, no, it says buggy port.
Buggy port.
Is that a new person?
Shh, don't tell everybody. They'll hear you what we're going to do.
So exciting Christmas.
You won't tell everybody that we're going to have a buggy port.
You still record me.
No, I'll stop now.
You haven't.
Emma. Oh, this is the Santa. We need to advertise this, actually. This is the Santa Claus.
Tina can't read.
Won't take your device. Oh, hold on. Santa Claus, P.O. Box, blah, 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 North Pole. If you want to send a letter to Santa. We'll have to hold that over so we don't see the child's name. But what you do is the Santa Claus. It's for our party on the 22nd of December at the centre. What time are you going to do it?
12 p.m.
So it starts at 12. These are all the times that you have to book yourself in for. Oh, it's just so exciting. We're going to snow for Christmas. Is that all they do? And then at the shop, when's Father Christmas coming up the shop, Emma?
23rd. 12 o'clock.
Ah, so 22nd they can come here for the party.
Yes. And Elsa and Anna and Olaf are coming for a...
They're coming for a party,
appearance.
yeah.
Yep.
And who else is it going to be? Father Christmas, Ola and...
Elsa,
Olaf and...
Anna. Elsa, Anna and Olaf.
I'm glad you said that, not me.
Yeah.
And is that all day? Is that all
Till
day?
4 o'clock.
Till 4. So it's
12
10 till
till
4.
4.
Oh, 12 till 4.
12 till 4.
Leon's being very childish.
Watching you.
He's watching you, watching me, watching you on your phone.
I know Sam's just told me that I'm live on Facebook. Thanks, Tina.
Because you didn't know you were live on Facebook, did you?
Okay, bye.
Goodbye. Are you going somewhere? No, but I am. And here's Keely, the little mince. Minx. Not mince.
Mince pie. That's what you're trying to
Or
say.
peppermint mince that you chew. Soft in the middle. And she's pretended she's working very hard with the volunteer names. And there's Leanne.
I'm watching you. I'm watching you.
Watching you, watching me, you're watching you.
Wait, no more. I don't like it.
Oh, Emma's disappeared. She must be working very hard somewhere else. Let's have a little sneak. Let's see what's happening around the centre. Oh, it's all looking so pretty with the decorations. There's where the most hardest person working ever sits. That's me. The printer is looking very empty. Nobody's doing any work. Here we have the... Oh, look at these pretty decorations. This is the playroom. We have some car seats for sale if anybody's interested. This one is £5. This one is £10. Then we have the travel cot. I can still see you. The travel cot, which is £10. It folds down and goes into the bottom bit, the base. It folds around it so it all gets tucked away nicely. Keely, are you throwing your balls at me?
Yeah.
Don't. And here we are with some more of the decorations and the ball pit that the staff like to throw themselves into. Don't do it, Keely. And a lovely little sensory room. Here we are. Is it all still on?
No, it's all
You've turned it off. Oh. Oh, now I'm going to have to soak. But this is the sensory room, and it does look rather nice when it is all done up. And the lights are on and flashing in the ceiling, and everybody's tap dancing everywhere.
Bye.
Oh, bye. Oh, look, there's Emma. She's making a cup of tea for me. Aren't she? No, she's not. She's making lovely crumpets. Get your crumpets. And there's our lovely, pretty little Christmas tree. You can just about see the lights. And now the sun's come out, and we don't have... Hi, Mr. Postman! Oh, no, he's high. He's been all shy today. And it stopped snowing, and the sun's come out. So it's goodbye from me, and it's goodbye from Leanne.
Bye. Yeah.
And it's goodbye from Keely. Isn't it, Keely?